Hi, in this video I will show you how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account. So if you want to disable your Instagram account temporarily, you have to simply follow this procedure. So you won't find any option to deactivate your account temporarily on the Instagram app. To do this, you have to open your Instagram on your browser, any browser you are using. So once you will here, after that you have to click on your profile from the right bottom. Once you will click on it, now you have to click on the edit profile from the top here. Tap on it. Once you will tap on it, now scroll up and here you will see I temporarily disable my account. Simply tap on it. Once you will tap on it, now you have to select why you are disabling your account. So just need a break and enter your password here. Once you will enter your password, click on the temporarily disable account. So in this way you can temporarily disable your account on the Instagram. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.